Problem with Jinja2 autoescape in Google App Engine web app. I decided to install Jinja2 to use with my web app application in order to support the autoescape functionality. So I installed Jinja2 into Python 2.5 and created a symlink within my project to point to that directory. It's mostly working fine. Except, when I actually try to use the %autoescape true % tag, I get the message. I'm using the tags as they have it in the docs. Within my handler file I'm importing the relevant stuff. And the import is working fine because it's not throwing an error. Am I doing something wrong, or is there a problem with Jinja2 itself, like maybe in x.py? Update: I tried Sharth's suggestion below and got the same result. Here is my updated handler using his suggestion. Again, it works fine as long as I don't use the autoescape tag.
The %autoescape% tag needs Jinja 2.4 or higher, and the jinja2.x.autoescape extension loaded.